Hello. In the next 5 minutes, we want to inform you of possible relief under your business interruption insurance. Essentially, your business paid premiums for a policy that you would have reasonably expected to cover you due to a coronavirus induced business interruption. However, insurance companies have categorically denied those claims. And today, we're talking about what you can and should do about it. Now, first, an initial observation is since that every insurance policy is different and contains different language, this discussion is necessarily a general one. And I am approaching this presentation from a business perspective, as I have spent the majority of my career owning and operating a food business and as a restaurateur. My name is Richard Riccardi, and I am an attorney at the Ammons Law Firm, concentrating on matters related to insurance coverage due to the coronavirus. And now on to a discussion about typical insurance coverage. Business interruption coverage covers you when your business is closed or operations reduced due to property damage. Now, property damage is normally thought of as maybe a tornado or a fire. In this case, the damage occurs even though it cannot be seen. It's the contamination that had occurred or would have occurred if regular business operations continued. That is, the general public continued to enter onto your premises. There's other types of coverage. The first one is civil authority, where the government directs you to close or reduce your operations due to a dangerous physical condition. Again, this is normally the burned out building next door. The case law has clearly extended this coverage to other government orders and conditions. There's also dependent property coverage, and that's property owned by others that you rely upon in your business. For instance, you sell hamburgers and your ground beef supplier's facility burns to the ground and you're unable to locate ground beef elsewhere. Of course, these policies also contain exclusions. The first one you might learn of is bacteria and fungus, which generally limits the amount of your claim, but this provision should not apply to coronavirus. Sometimes there's virus exclusions, and this is the strongest language, but there are reliable, competent legal theories that clearly suggest that this exclusion should not apply to the coronavirus. Now, what is the measure of damages that your business can claim? Well, a base amount would be net profit, overhead, and labor. But you'd also include, and depending on your state, any statutory damages or permissible attorney's fees. Please know that you can make a claim even if there is not any profit in your business. And furthermore, you can make a claim even if you are operating under reduced conditions, that is, carry out, delivery, or curbside business. And it's our understanding that given the level of these operations, they are not likely to reduce your damages. And there's additional benefits under an extra expense provision, which, as the name suggests, is what are those extra expenses that you incurred during reduced operations? Perhaps did you install a window for takeout operations or perform special extra additional sanitation procedures in reaction to the coronavirus? There's also extended business income loss, and that's for that period when your operations are allowed to resume and until they are restored to the normal level. So knowing all this, what is the appropriate course of action? Well, due to the policy complexity and insurance company rejection of all these claims, we recommend consulting with an attorney to better understand your rights. Furthermore, we believe a contingency fee arrangement, whereas no fee or expense is owed unless a recovery is obtained, is the most financially efficient way to pursue your claim as opposed to paying hourly legal fees. Please know that time is of the essence. These policies generally require claims to be filed within 30 to 60 days, even though the law generally allows for some additional time. So in summary, you have rights under your insurance policy, and insurance companies are rejecting their obligation to your business under these policies. You can and should protect your rights by seeking legal counsel. I trust you found this informative today. If you have any questions or would like to discuss this matter in more detail, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, thank you for your time and please stay safe.